Yezo, hello everybody, what's up everybody? Hopefully everybody is good and things are good so far. And it's on a Thursday, and hopefully those who are looking onto the charts today and those who have been learning, hopefully everything is going on smooth, and hopefully we're learning all day every day as we get to look into these charts. Of course, this is the thing that we love doing, and we shall be doing these. So also been looking on gold today. I took a trade on gold, and let's see how it did play out, how we did red price, and what were the outcomes of today, and what mistakes did I make today, and where should I be rectifying, or where should I improve on. So today was a great day for me, and having identified these problems or the mistakes I'm making from the previous videos, I'm trying to refine and improve on them. So let's get cracking. Let's start the video. Please remember to hit the like button and also smash that subscribe button, so that whenever I'm uploading my video or I'm going live, you may get notified. So let's get cracking. And this is the 5 minutes time frame, but as you know, we are a top down analysis, so I'll take you from the higher time frames and see uh, how was I expecting this day to run. And what I think this chart is dirty. I don't wanna make it more dirty, so I'll go to this other chart and maybe clear some stuff because they're the same. And yeah, it's gold. So what did I see over here? We can see we had this previous day liquidity being grabbed earlier, so it was grabbed earlier. And since going to the higher time frames, because I usually start from the weekly, dropping lower and lower, so we can see how price was reacting to this order block here, whereby the candles were closing above the order block. Then we had this last week, which closed bullish. So also this week I have been bullish. I wanted to see bull prices, and maybe the draw will be my draw will be on these week constant encroachment. So this would be my target. Sorry. So generally this week I was uh, um, in bulls. I wanted to see expansion higher. So over here we can see Wednesday, from Monday, where is Monday, Friday. So you can see Monday we had the market didn't open, so you can see Friday was bullish and Tuesday was bullish, Wednesday was bullish. So also Thursday I wanted bull prices. Okay. And we can see for now it's remaining 4 hours, but you can see it's forming a bearish candle. But since we are intraday traders, so we can get an opportunity on how we read these candles. So I was reading these 4-hour time frame, and I saw these clear fair value gap over here. I don't want to highlight it. I guess you know for now what's a fair value gap. These candles high to these candles low, we have this fair value gap. So what I saw is we had this retracement lower to the constant encroachment of that of this fair value gap. And sorry guys, so I'll have to go back for my 4-hour chart, because I think I labeled some stuffs there. So over here what you can see is we had these fair value gap here, these candles high, these candles low, this we had this drop lower, and it touched the constant encroachment of that. uh, let's draw it from that high. I want to make these videos really short, and yeah, I don't want to make them too long. So um, yeah, we can see now this is the 4 hour fair value gap. So I was watching this candle, I saw its reaction that for me made me, or added confluences to me that I'm expecting higher prices. What did I see? You can see how price tapped into the constant, or the constant encroachment, or the midpoint of this fair value gap. Then we had it rally higher, closing below this order block. Okay, so I saw it, since it had reacted off this constant encroachment, then I wanted to see it close above these uh, these 4 hour order block. But what can we see from the next candle? We had this drop that tapped into the order block, closed below the constant encroachment of this. So but I dropped lower to the lower time frames, and because I trade only New York session, so I was observing, I trade only the New York session, and I was observing various these all these time frames, and navigating through all of them to get a clear picture. So since I trade from maybe 7, I don't like to trade during the first hour of the New York session, so I wait until 8 sorry, and that's when I start trading. As we can see here, we have London drop down, creating this low. Then we have this kind of consolidation here. Then at around 7, you can see we had this drop lower. To those people who had taken early entries, because we had tapped into these 4 hour fair value gap, they were taken out by these 7 a.m. candles. So that's why I don't like really trading the first hours. I want to see how 7 a.m. candle closes, then I'll be looking for other for entries afterwards. So dropping lower, to have a clear picture what really happened, we can see we had this kind of consolidation over here, London creating a low, rallying to those people who went at earlier. Later on during New York, we had this drop down, and I referred to this as a smart money trap, whereby a low was created. And as for me, honestly, I wanted to see this low not taken out, but when it was taken out, that's when I realized it was an smart money trap, whereby those who had entered earlier were to be taken out. So I guess you can remember this is the 1 hour order block. I'll go back. Yeah, this bull candle. Let me change the color to maybe light pink. So that's the 1 hour order block. You can see this a bull candle inside this bear price leg, visual send at the back. Yeah, so we can see this bull candle inside a down close a down movement, or a bearish price leg. So that was my order block. I was observing it, and since these you can see over here, it seems like we are in a consolidation. Also, a power of 3 was playing in well for me. And something I noticed is we had this 4 hour fair value gap was paired with this 1 hour fair value gap. You can see it over there. Then in the 15 minutes time frame, we can see, to those who had reacted and including me, who were anticipating to see this low not to be cleared. I hadn't spotted these 15 minutes. I guess, where is it? Yeah, this 15 minutes fair value gap. You can see it build above these candles high and these candles low. We have a fair value gap there, so I wasn't keen on that. But later on, that's the goodness, like following a plan. I can't take trades during the London. I can only anticipate. I'm expecting to see these, and just following my rules, not taking a trade. Okay, so I was anticipating to see price create this low, and this low was to be not to be taken out, and I was anticipating to see higher prices. But what happened? We had these higher prices, and we had a reaction of this fair value gap, then rallied lower, cleared these liquidities. So this smart money trap tapped into that 15 minutes fair value gap. But since I don't like trading this the first hour, I watched how these candles were reacting to these how can we call it, this is 1 hour order block, and I saw a candle close above it. So you can see this candle closed above it. Was it that really candle? Yeah, I saw these 7:30 candle close above it, and also this next 8 candle close it. Then when I was seeing these drop lower, I was sure I'm bullish, but I wanted to see price respect these 30 minutes week, right? So using my Fibonacci, I measured these candles low to these candles high, candles low, that candles high. I guess I was using the 15 minutes time frame. Yeah, over here, this 15 minutes. Yeah, I measured that that week, and you can see how the bodies were respecting the midpoint of this week. The bodies were closing above. So after I'd seen that, then we had that let me go to where I had taken my trades. So I dropped lower to the 15 minutes time frame. When I saw this low not being violated by this low, it rallied lower, tapped into the 50 level. I guess you can see it there. Then we had this sharp retracement higher. So for me, this was our confirmation that we are going higher, because the low had not been violated, and we had seen this reaction of the 50 level, sharp retracement inside the breaker, inside this 1 hour order block. We had also these candles closing above, so I was bullish. So we had this reaction, and since there was a fair value gap here, this was where I entered. I placed my buy limit, then price dropped lower, tapped me in with my stop loss being at the rejection block. Then I saw these rally higher with my partials taken at this high, and I drilled my stop loss to break even. Then you can see my target was hit. I didn't want to target these highs because I know always price does not need to go to this level. Okay, price can just approach, maybe tap it and then rally lower, and or maybe can maybe approach it just closely, then start reversing. And you can see price tap to the liquidity, then we can see this drop down. One thing, because of this, that's why I like to target only 1 to 2 trades, because of these reversals. If it reverses and I'm bullish, then it will give me another maybe move tomorrow. So I don't like to take those higher risk to rewards, but a 1 to 2 is okay. A perfect example is in these today price action. So you can see we are in a consolidation, but we managed to have these with clear, price lead, and patient. This is the one thing I've been improving on. I'm seeing the progress I'm making slowly, and we'll get there. So it was a good trade with patient, and I guess proper risk management and trade management, because once my partials was hit, I trailed my stop. So if it could have reversed, then I could be saved with the profits I've accumulated there. So the day was great. So I'm happy today. I followed my plan, and I was really patient to see to watch the market provide me the opportunity, and not to rush, not to be in fear of missing out. When I saw these higher movement, I wasn't really in a rush. I was so patient because I was waiting for my time. We had also news at 8:30, so it was something else I was watching at, and we can see if I could have taken a trade just because of this 1 hour order block, then I could have just maybe lost. So I was patient, trying to see what will news do, and drop down, of course, which was in my favor, because I wanted to catch it lower than these liquidities being my target. So it was something nice, and I'm slowly building my confidence, which is the best thing that as a trader you can improve on, and try to cultivate, have that confidence, so that when you see the setup next time, you will not be in that panic, should I be in the trade or not. And trade management, having a clear draw of price, so it's the one thing that helped me. And also having to take my 1 to 2, because if I had maybe a 1 to 5, then for now I could have been taken out if I could have been in at break even. So that is it. So and also I took half of the of my position at the partials, and let the other half slide, and everything was good. So my lesson today, or my greatest takeaway today, is patience, following my plan 1 to 2, and also improving on my trade management, because for risk management I'm also refining. I'm good for now, and yeah, so improving, getting better all day, every day. That's our target, and yeah, that was the day. Thank you for being around. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to this channel, and we get to improve one another, get to learn. And if you have a question, please, you can post it at the comment section, and for clarity, I'll do maybe another video, and getting to improve. If you're not getting something, do write on the comment section, and I will get back with another video, trying to let everybody improve, because by bringing other people up, or by rising other people, we arise ourselves. Okay, I don't know what I'm making sense. If we help other people grow, then we are helping ourselves. So thank you for being around. Thank you for watching this video. Please like the video. Please smash that subscribe button. Until next time guys, be safe. Bye bye. You be wrong, streets.